Do 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 dee do 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 do.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have my baby sister with us and I'm going to be putting some clip-ins in her hair, and the clip-ins is from Amazing Beauty Hair Company. They sent me 22 inches and silky straight, y'all. So my sister, she, as you guys can see, she got them little dookie braids up in the back of her head. Okay, she wanted to braid her hair, so she did it. So I'm just really, as you guys are just seeing, it's really self-explanatory. I'm putting the clip-ins onto the braids, okay? And let me just tell you guys, I am very pleased with the density of these clip-ins. Like, I wasn't sure if they were going to be thick enough, but I definitely did need 3 packs. I'm not going to hold y'all. I definitely needed 3 packs of these clip-ins, and I feel like they were very thick at the end, and it just looked really super good. The texture of the hair is also very nice, you guys. Like I said, it is silky straight, and when I think of silky straight, I'm thinking shiny, just everything that I don't like about clip-ins. But with these, they were so good. They weren't shiny at all. Like, the texture felt like I knew, I had a good idea that it was going to hold a curl, which it did. You guys are going to see at the end of this video. But the texture is nice, the density is nice. I just really like these clip-ins. I can't wait for my hair to grow out so I can put these in mine. But you got my baby sis here for today. So that's really about all that I have to say. Anything that I left out, I'm going to put down in the comment box, or the comment section, and the description box. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Enjoy watching the rest of this one, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I do so